What's going on, guys? Alright, so we're back at it again. We're gonna start this new series. It's gonna be called Project Mazdaspeed 6. Now bear with me real quick. Alright, so we're actually here. The block is done. The builders are actually oh shit, what the hell's that on my head? Look, that's dirt. Anyway, but the builders are actually they're asking for the head. They need the head ASAP, and to get the block done. What the fuck is wrong? Anyway, so here's what I'm running. Before I show you, I'm running Manly pistons. They're ceramic coated. We're running Manly Turbo Tough H beams. We're running ARP lower bolts. Then ARP heads regular, because I don't plan on pushing more than 500 on this car. You know what I mean? I plan on dailying it. It's gonna be Garage Queen. OEM gasket, 88 mils, port and polished head, all the good works, top mount turbo. I plan on running all that. So I had a fucking doubt, right? And check this. I wanted to see if the ST intake manifold fits on the Mazdaspeed. So then I actually found that it fucking does. Literally, it bolts up. It's clear. I'm gonna show you right now, guys. This is a fucking game changer for me right now. I'm gonna buy another port injection kit. Another port injection kit for the Mazdaspeed. We're gonna run kind of the same setup as the Ford Focus ST. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. Alright, for those that say it doesn't fit, it can't be done, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Alright, I'm not worried about wiring. I'm not worried about anything. So it bolts right up. Don't worry about this engine. This engine we're trying to take everything out. No, don't mind the hammer. I'm not beating the whole thing out. Yeah, man. So this is from the old engine of the ST that blue. And dude, it literally bolts right up. Everything, like everything lines up. It seals up pretty good. Here's what I'm gonna do. The port injection kit is probably like another couple inches. So the only thing it's like maybe 2 inches. So it will probably come up towards the radiator fan, the fan or whatever. But with minor mods and rewiring and all this other bullshit, I think we would have enough space to actually fit the port injection kit from the ST, that's for radium, on here. Literally, look, dude, look at that. Why spend, what is it, Damon sells it for like $700. Free ST from the old engine I got, intake manifold, and the port injection kit. We're gonna have the same thing. We're running on that, which are, I think they're like 72 pound or something like that, 52 pound, I'm sorry, injectors from Deechworks. Probably gonna run those on the on the Mazda. Like literally, look, everything literally bolts right back up. Oh shit, yeah, I can't get it, but it bolts. Everything bolts up. This is coming off. I'm chopping this off. I'm chopping this part off. This part is getting chopped off. Oh yeah, that for the other bottom bolt right there, it's getting chopped off. And here's the good thing, because my setup literally is the TR10, right? The 1035 or some shit like that from the Treadstone. So we're gonna come in through here, through the bottom, if we can. Alright, and then we're gonna kind of like, the ST down around like that to the other one, to the inlet or whatever. And then from the turbo, because I'm going top mount, turbo's gonna come here. I'm gonna see if we can rearrange some of this stuff to literally come in from the turbo, the bottom, clock the turbo down or whatever, come in through here, go in through the bottom of there, or like a 45 degree, and then turn it. You know what I mean? It's gonna have 1, 2, maybe 2, 3 bends, 4 bends. But fuck it, as long as it looks good, the piping's gonna be hidden. It's gonna be clocked down, a pipe. We're gonna do a lot of good shit to this, man. So stay tuned, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you like more of this. ST is gonna be next. So, man, it's hot, man. Today's hot. It's like 115 today. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to see more videos of this? Like literally, we're gonna do more installs. I have everything already ready. We're gonna run big turbo. Man, it's been since I say like maybe January. I started buying stuff for this car. I didn't expect it to blow up, but shit happens. We're gonna go ahead. Literally, we're gonna go ahead and start building this fucker. Look at that, man. Damn, that's one sexy ass speed, boy. Ooh. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.